Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Datum. In this video, we will discuss how we can check the orientation tolerance. Also, how we can set up the part for the inspection and how to read the feature control frame on the drawing. So let's start. How to check the perpendicularity. So here, first case, here need a datum be perpendicular. As here you can see that I have applied the datum A to the bottom surface of that plate and datum B to the side surface. So here I need the side surface that is perpendicular to the datum A in a tolerance zone of 0.002. So how I am reading? Need a perpendicularity of this surface with respect to datum A in a tolerance zone of 0.002. So here that surface, after that I will take this surface as a datum B. So it will form the two parallel plane tolerance zone, as here you can see in this picture here, forming two parallel plane tolerance zone. This is nothing but the thickness 0.002. The tool setup to check the perpendicularity of with respect to datum A is here. Firstly, I will on the side here the block I will attach to the bottom surface as a datum A. So here you can see this one is a block and this surface is a datum A, and hold this plate with the help of this clamp. Now I will check the upper surface with respect to the datum A surface and check the perpendicularity of complete surface. So if the perpendicularity reading is in the tolerance zone of 0.002, then I will accept the part, or the part will be rejected if it is out of tolerance zone. After that, getting this reading, I will take this surface as a datum B. So this one is the tool setup for to check the perpendicularity. Here the important point need to be noticed that how we are taking the datum A, datum B like this. So here I have assigned datum A to the surface, then its a counter part or the datum simulator is a surface plate here, or flat surface is there for the datum A. If I take datum C as a whole, then its a counterpart for holding the workpiece is a pin. Okay, for example, here datum C, I have taken the datum C as a datum, so in the actual the counterpart is a pin. Now in the case 2, I need a surface perpendicular to the datum A and B. So here I have applied datum A to the side surface of the plate and datum B to the thickness of the surface. So here I applied datum B to the thickness, so it means it middle plane. Datum B I have applied to the thickness, so its a counterpart is a, you can select counterpart as a C clamp or 2 block from this side and this side counterpart, and for the side datum A it is a surface plate, or you can say flat plate for the datum A. Now my requirement is here I need a bottom surface perpendicular to the datum B and datum A, that is primary datum B and the secondary datum A. So in the tolerance zone of 0.001, this also forms the two parallel plane tolerance zone. Okay, now coming to the tool setup. So here I have taken datum B to the thickness, so its counterpart or for the holding the workspace, here datum simulator will be the two block. So this one and this one. Here this one is a fixed block and this one is a moving block, or you can see select as a C clamp also. So I am holding this part from the both the side, and this surface, that is side surface, as a datum A. Now I will check with the help of dial indicator. I will check the perpendicularity of this surface with respect to datum B first, primary datum B first, and with respect to the datum A. How to check the parallelism? On the drawing you can see that I need parallelity of this surface with respect to the common datum A and B in tolerance zone of 0.002. So here also I have applied 2x, that is for the two surfaces, this one surface and this one surface, profile of 0.0002. Then this firstly I will check these two surfaces in the tolerance zone of 0.002. If it is satisfied, then I will take as a datum A and datum B, and from that datum A and datum B, that which is one common datum, so I will check the upper surface parallel with respect to common datum in a tolerance zone of 0.002. So here it will form the two parallel plane tolerance zone. Here you can see that the surface plate or the flat plate here, which is common for the both the surfaces here, datum A and datum B, that which is known as the common datum. By taking the reference of that plate, I will check the parallelity of upper surface with respect to the common datum A and B. How to check the angularity? On the drawing you can see that I applied datum A on the bottom surface, and from that bottom surface there is an 30 degree in the basic, and I need perpendicularity in a tolerance zone of 0.005 with respect to datum A. So it will forms the two parallel plane tolerance zone. After setting the 30 degree angle in the sign bar with respect to the datum A, which is nothing but the surface plate, and now the part inclined surface is a horizontal. Now 30 degrees rotated. Now the measured surface is a horizontal now, and now we can easily check the angularity in the tolerance zone of 0.005. So like this angularity, for the angularity we need to rotate the part like in this example 30 degree and make it as a horizontal one, and then after we can easily check the angularity. So for more video you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the updated new video notification. So friend, thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.